Hey guys, there's a big bird, and it's there. Look at that H. Look at the H there, and there's a bit. There is it. Oh, look at that, very big.